Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. It's been a while since we've done a post, so I've had a lot of requests to do some more content. So here we are, and today we're going to look at the new Ranger and Everest models and how to reset the automatic up and down function on the windows. Really easy to do, so let's get inside and see how it's done. Hi guys, here we are in the car, and the very first thing we do is turn on the ignition. Now once the ignition's on, I always start with the window in the up position. Just makes life a little bit easier. And then once we've done that, we find the driver's window switch and we push down on the driver's window switch to open the window. Now once the window reaches the bottom, we simply hold the button down for about 5 seconds. After that, we release the button and then we hold it again for about 2 or 3 seconds, and this just resets the down point. Now to set the up point, we just simply hold the window switch in the up position until the window reaches the top, and then we keep holding the button for another 4 or 5 seconds. That sets the up point. We release the switch and then we hold it again for about 2 or 3 seconds. Once you've done that, one touch down on the button and the window should open automatically, and one touch up on the button and the window should go up automatically. Simple as that. If you have any questions or any problems, just let me know.